Stop leaving DaVinci Resolve to generate AI. Every AI model, video, images, and 3D now lives right inside of Resolve. No browser, no 10 tabs opened, no switching apps. You generate the shot you need and it lands right on your timeline. No exporting, no re-importing, it's just there, ready to cut. There's also a node-based side to it, so we can feed it with reference images, get a cinematic shot back without spending hours to figure out the right prompts. From there you can grade it, composite it, and finish the whole shot all in one place without ever leaving the edit. It's built by actual editors and VFX artists who use this every day, so new models drop fast. We can pay per generation on the cloud, no subscription, no wasted credits, or we can even run it locally and for free on your own GPU. There's even a built-in AI assistant that runs on NVIDIA's serverless APIs. This is the editing workflow that was missing in Resolve, so we finally built it. Let me show you how it works. Here we are in a new project in DaVinci Resolve, and to open up the plugin, you need to go to Workspace, and then in the workflow integration, you will see AI Video Studio. If you have the free version of Resolve, we can also run a script so we can start using the plugin. So when you open it up, you will have an interface like this. We have video generation, edit video, image generation, backdrop generation, 3D models, and clay to Photoreal. When you see this green dot, it means it's connected to DaVinci Resolve. So when we go to edit video, for example, you will see the selected clip playing inside of the previewer. And from here, we have a bunch of tools. We have draw to video, reframe, relighting, upscaling it, and these are the main tools to edit our videos. When you go to the settings and engine, you will see it's using fal.ai from the cloud, or you can also choose to render it locally using ComfyUI. And here we can set up our API keys for fal, and we also have some additional keys for NVIDIA, for example, for our built-in assistant. Here we can use free and leading models that we can use in AI Video Studio. If you want to connect it with fal.ai, you can create an account and then create an API key so you can use it in Resolve. And in the app itself, we have video generation, so we can start generating videos from scratch using the best and latest models from text to video and image to video. We can add reference images or even capture our current Resolve frame, so we can capture frames right from our timeline and start editing it. Just like any other AI system, we can select all the parameters, and we even have camera and lens, so we can choose the style and look of our video. So we have all sorts of camera presets. We can change our lens, our focal length, and aperture. We also have lighting, so we can pre-select our lighting setup without ever needing to prompt it. We can even change the movement, so we have different camera movements, presets we can choose from. And another handy feature is the nodes. So we have a node-based system. We can add prompts, reference images, image models, and video models. So if you like working in a node-based system, we have it right in here. Then edit video is changing the clip that we have selected. And we also have image generation, so we can generate AI images. And then we have a bunch of other tools that I personally use as a VFX artist. For example, we have some footage here on the green screen, so we can go to the backdrop generator. We can simply generate backgrounds for a green screen, for example, using these different parameters. Give it a set of instructions, even add reference images, and then with AI, it will build our prompts automatically, so we can create an image like this. This was generated using Flux 2 with our comfy mode. Then with this image, we can start compositing it in our editing software, and we can create something like this. We can even generate another background just for variation. It's running locally, so you don't have to worry about the costs. And there we go. Now we have another variation of this background. We can even go a bit further and even animate those images. And then we have something like this, and we can composite it, so we have a live stage. But this is only one example. There's many different things we can do. We can even generate 3D models based off one single image. For example, we have an image of a shoe, and we can start generating that 3D model. And that is a quick and easy way to generate 3D models from your images. We can add up to 4 reference images. Then we have our clay and Photoreal option. With this, we can even create our own animations with a clay render and then use AI as a sort of render engine to make our final render. That's the way I personally use these tools as a VFX artist and editor, but there are many basic and simple jobs we can also do within the plugin. It's now available on Gumroad as a one-time payment, or join the VFX room to be part of a community in visual effects. You'll get the tool and also some VFX courses if you're interested. Thank you for checking out this video and good luck. Peace.